If you're a rising senior looking to book your senior portraits, here's how to do it step by step with Caddy Studios.
To start, go to Nation Ford's homepage and browse the title bar until you see the Caddy Senior Portraits ad. Then, click on the ad for it to bring you to the Caddy homepage and scroll down until you see Book Now. Search up Nation Ford High School and click Select. Then you will be brought to the Select Your Scenes page. Yearbook style photo is already selected for you, but you can select some more by clicking the heart on the bottom left. Then scroll down and click Continue. You can scroll through to see all the options and choose the one that is most fitting for you. For someone more into sports, you might want to choose this one. For someone more artistic, you might want to choose this one. Once you choose your passage, you will be taken to the Confirm Your Scenes page. There, you'll be able to scroll down and see all the options. You must pick 3 additional scenes to the yearbook photo within the traditional scenes selection. You can also choose to add other scenes, but as you scroll down, the price of the shoot will go up. Then click Continue. Next, you'll have a pop-up come up, and you can just click No Thanks. Click Continue again until you come to the Retouch Your Photos page. You must have it selected for the yearbook photos to have their best quality. Next, click Continue. On this page, you can pick a date and time for the shoot. We recommend making a day out of this experience. Go get lunch with your friends, have a photo shoot with the Caddy photographers. All fun. If you plan to do this, then you'll have each friend sign up for time slots that are near each other on the same day. If doing it by yourself, just sign up for the time and date that works best for you. Then click Continue. Here, you can review your package, price, and the shooting options. If you don't have an account, then you can fill out the information on the right side and follow through with your payment.
Congratulations to all of our rising seniors, and good luck as you finish out your final year of high school.